screenshot or entire screen sharing. Okay, and then check your screen, no? Okay, I want to be seeing you responding to me uh with what? Not present this time, no? So you respond to me. This means to say, you are present today if you are responding this. Okay, with assignment, and then the others, they're still present, of course, without assignment. Okay, can we do that? Again, private message me, messenger me. This is ready, right? You see this one, this will move. Okay, are you ready? With assignment, without assignment. Go. Okay, don't be ashamed. It's okay. If you do not have an assignment, I will understand. Okay? I will understand. I will not put you to shame this period, okay? But I promise that I'm gonna be talking to you, no? I'm gonna be chatting you a lot. Why you are not able to actually do your assignment. Okay, it is me, no? I do not know if uh, how diligent I am, no? Compared to other teachers, I do not know. You might succumb, give up. Okay? Okay, so without assignment, do not be ashamed. Okay? Do not be ashamed. Okay, sige. I'll not show that messenger and for the others whom without assignment, they are ashamed actually, right? Okay, sige. Let's go now here. This is a recap, right? Okay. So in your unit 1, okay, chapter 1, figure, it is but a regular polygon with the 24 sides is a recap. And we call it a cositetragon. And then we were actually counting sides there, no? Okay, 24 for icositetragon. And then diagonals, okay, there's a lot, no? For 24, it's 252. That's why we have that figure. And for the others, they mentioned that in making the drawing of that figure, we start at the very center. Yes, you're right, right? And then that very center is drawn, okay, we draw a line from that center towards that vertices, no? Okay, we have a lot of vertices. It's 24 also, no? Notice that the diagonal, if you have to count for for the vertices, you must take into consideration the side because side is equal to the vertices. You know what vertex is, right? Okay, triangle has three vertices, and so is the side. Okay, so this one. So you have to skip everything there, no? Okay, but you have to actually draw a center and vertices that is equidistant from the very center. No? A line, sorry. A line from the very center towards that vertices, but they must be equidistant to the center, and also those vertices must be equal in distance, no, to each other. Okay, that's how we draw this, right? Okay, naintindihan ba sinasabi ni Sir Romel? Parang hindi, no? Okay, so naintindihan ba? So I'm actually twisting your mind, okay? Because if you want to become an engineer and architect, how can you, no? If this simple thing you can actually not what do you call this? Stretch your mind to think about it, right? Okay, and then a polygon seems there, and then eventually a circle will show, no? Like this. But you are not mindful that the circle will reflect from your drawing, okay? From that center and that regular polygon that is so-called the icosahedron. Okay, we're done with that. Okay, and then with this one, okay, it's easy, no? Okay, there is but okay. Diagonal seems to be what? The added side plus the diagonal created, no? In here. Then side and then this diagonal, no? Side and then diagonal. And then we say it really is, no? 5, 9, 6, 14, 7. Okay, this diagonal, ha? 720, and then, and so on and so forth. Okay? Okay, of course, you cannot count that drawing there, no? Saying diagonal, sir, of the 24-side tetragon is 252. You cannot do that. Okay, there's a pattern really, no? We generate patterns there. Okay, now we go here now. Okay, so there is but this one and these ones. Okay, now let me ask you. Okay, number one, no? You choose number one and number two. What have you done, no? What did you do with this one? Okay, number one. Choose number one or number two only, okay? And then we go and chat that in the chat box. Okay. What have you done? What did you do with your assignment? Okay. Did you draw this first and was able to actually, okay, provided the numbers in this table? That's number one. Or the other one, number two. You have filled these cells first, okay, the blank cells, and then use that as a guide in making the drawings of this because I ask you to actually draw it, right? Okay, it's clear, no? Instructions must be clear to you, of course, because you cannot do your assignment if you are so what do you call this one? It's you're not that low, but you are mixing things up, no? Okay. With simple instruction, you tend to actually do it complex for you, no? Shouldn't be that way. Okay, sige, chat box everyone so that I can see. One or two. Okay, chat box. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, that's fast. So you're listening very well, no? Very good. Okay, because you cannot actually draw this and say these are my answer. It's not, no? Okay, we are analyzing. That's critical thinking class. Okay? So 11:50. Okay, sige, let's answer this now. Okay, sige. If your answers are this in the yellow, then you say you're correct, no? You're happy. Okay. I am not asking you to apply linear equations here or linear functions or quadratic. Okay, perhaps, no? Quadratic function is what you've learned from your grade 9 actually. No, I am not. Okay. Notice that this is just a simple math. Okay. It's an arithmetic. Okay. When you say arithmetic, you're just basically counting. You're doing patterns for yourself. And it's so easy, no? I wonder why the others cannot do this, no? I do not know. Okay. Why? Perhaps because it's really you're making your life difficult for you. But math is not always that difficult. Come to think of that. Okay? Okay, sige, let's have this one now. Okay, sige. Do you see that? Okay, I'll make it actually big muna, no? Okay, sige. This is better. Okay? So, when you treat it, okay, you see patterns going down. So, every column, you check, alright? Okay, sige. There's a pattern really, no? From here, adding 1. And then from here, it's just adding 3. That's so simple, no? From here, okay, these are given. terms. Okay, they are terms. Well, actually, we define in a glance what is sequence, no? But after these introductions, we'll be able to actually easily define what sequence is actually, and then the series is next, no? And then what is this one? Okay, adding 4, 10. No, it's 6 rather, no? Okay, and then adding what's between 25 and 15? You might think, yes, it's adding 10 only. But this one seems to be, hmm, okay, I'll stop in here. This will actually, what do you call this? Uh, cut my knife into pieces. Why? I do not know what's next in here, no? And then, of course, there's no column anymore where you can relate your answer. But to this one, sorry, the row of this triangular, can you not make a pattern out of this one? Okay, okay, you see, you do not just uh, see patterns in vertical way, but see patterns also in horizontal, of course, right? Okay, in here, 1, 3, you're adding 2, right? 3, 6, you're adding 3, and then so on, 4, 5, it's increasing. And then 6 should be added in 5, 15 rather, comes 21, and 7 is next. Okay, so it's increasing. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then you'll be able to actually fill this up now, right? It's easy, class. Okay, okay, so in the square, okay, it's about 3 and then 5. Oops. Okay, triangular pattern is not the same with square pattern. Okay, let's check. 1, 3, and then after 3, it is a 5. Okay, after 5, 9, and 6, it's a 7. Okay, it's something, it's odd number, right? So it's 3, 5, 7, 9 must be. Okay, because after adding 9 to 16, it gives you 25. 9, 10, 11 must be, right? 11 plus 25 gives you 36. And then 36 plus 13 will give you 49. Okay? And then you can check a pattern here now. 36 minus 21, and then 49 minus 28. So in here, you just add 15. Okay, in here, we add 10, we add 15, and then 49 minus 28 gives us, what is that? Sorry. In here, it is about 15. In here, it's about 21, no? 49 minus 28 is 21. Do you agree, class? Okay, so this one is increasing by 15, or rather 21, this one is 15. And then you get that, no? Diagonal is not there. We hide that, okay? Okay, we'll use that later. Okay, sige. Let's have a yes from the chat box if you do understand what pattern is there now or not, no? For this table. Did you understand the pattern in this table? It's easy, right? Okay, sige. Chat yes. Okay, very good. Okay, now next. Okay. It seems to be that for you, no, it's so difficult to actually understand what the statement is all about, no? Okay, sige, let's do it. Okay, so sige, it's sino ba yung Moranya? Okay, sige, Alrien. Okay, lead number 2. Make it fast. Kasi 57 na. Okay, sige, I'll read that for you. It's okay. Add two consecutive triangular numbers. Consecutive, magkasunod, no? Okay. They are next to each other. Triangular numbers. What kind of figure eight numbers do you get? Okay, answers would be, okay, sige. It is but a square. Okay. What's being asked here, it's figure eight number, right? Okay, we all know that these are the figure eight numbers, no? They are the they are figure eight, they are figures, and then attached to it is a number. Why? Because triangular is 3. Okay? Square is 4, but pentagonal is but 5. Okay, we're referring to the sides, no? Okay, sige. Answers must be from here, no? Why? Sige, we add. Sabing ganun, triangular, no? 1 and 3, add them. 3 and 6, 6 and 10. Okay, so basically we need triangular. Okay, numbers. These are the triangular numbers, 1, 3 up to 28. And then we add the consecutive triangular numbers. What are they? It's 1, 3, 3, 6. And then we have this, right? So, okay, relate 4, 9 up to 49. Can we see it here in the table? Yes. Okay. And so we say it is but a square. Figure eight number is a square. Okay, class? It's easy, no? Others would actually answer this. That's fine. But they did not name it. It's but a square. A figure eight number that is a square. Next! Multiply each triangular number by 8. Okay, we multiply. Okay, still we have this triangular number from up. Okay, and then add 1. What kind of figure eight numbers do we get? So okay, see class, no? We are doing a pattern and at the same time we are creating a sequence. This is a sequence. Okay, there are patterns, there are terms there now, no? Every number there are terms. This is a sequence. Okay? Every number is a term. And then it says there, you have to add, okay, a number 8 to the triangular number which is 1 and then add 1. Okay, so ibig sabihin, you add 8 to that 1 and then add 1. It becomes 8, no? Add 8 to 3, it becomes 11, no? Sorry, it's not add, but multiply rather, sorry. Multiply, no? Multiply 1 or 8 rather to 1, it becomes 8 plus 1, it becomes 9. Multiply 3 with 8, it's 24 plus 1, it's 24. Okay, it's 25. And so on and so forth, no? And then, notice, question there is what kind of figure eight numbers do you get? Okay, my answer will be none. Why? Because there is no 9, 25, 49, 81 there. 9. Okay, even the octagonal, which is what we need now, it's not giving me, no? Okay, you cannot say it's, sir, it's nonagonal, not octagonal. This is the nonagonal, next octagonal, it will not be the same, no? As your answer for number 3. They're not the same. Okay, this is 9, 24, 46. Whereas you're getting out of 8x plus 1, you're getting 9, 25 up to 25. Okay, it's none, no? It's not a figure eight number. Okay, but somehow can you actually say what these numbers are? Yes, they are about perfect square. Why? Because square root of 9 is 3. 25 it's 5, 49, and so on, no? They're perfect square. Okay, if you answered it's a square, it's not. Okay, because you might be answering it's figure eight numbers. It's not, no? It's not a square. Okay, because this is the outcome of number 3. Okay, it's not a square. Okay, it must be a perfect square. What if it pertains to number? What kind of number? It is a perfect square. No, 9, 25, 49. But what kind of figure eight numbers? None. Okay, there is none. No, it is not a figure eight number. It's not here. Next, there is a square. Okay, any two consecutive triangular numbers. And I'm sorry, square it, no? It's an action, sorry. Okay, it's an action, square it. It means to say there's a number, square it. Like there's a number 4, square it. 4 times 4, it becomes 16. Okay, square any two, but it pertains to triangular still, no? Okay. And then, it says there, subtract the smaller square number from the larger. Okay, sige. Let us square first the triangular numbers. Triangular numbers are there, then square it. Okay. 1, square it. Becomes 1, of course. 3, 9, 6, 36. And then, it says there, subtract the smaller square number from the larger. Okay, no. We concentrate on the square now, no? Okay, triangular is not there anymore. You don't need that. Okay. All we have to actually analyze is the square. 9 is larger than 1. They are both square now, right? 36 is larger than 9. It says there, subtract, okay, the smaller from the larger. So you're actually subtracting 9 minus 1. It gives you 8. 36 minus 9, it gives you 27, right, class? And so on and so forth. Okay. So this is the difference of the larger square to that of the smaller, or rather, the smaller to that of the larger, rather, right? Okay, so you're subtracting the larger minus the smaller. Okay, so you have this, right? Okay. What do you get? Okay, these are the numbers that you get. Okay, these are the terms. This is the sequence. These are the terms from the square. Okay, these are the terms for your difference of those squares. Okay, what kind of number do you get? Now you see, the number is being asked, not the figure number anymore. So this is the direct answer. Okay, it must be that your answer is a perfect cube. Okay, others, I guess, answered it's cube. Okay, very good. Okay, but there must be a perfect, no? Okay, I will consider the cube. Okay, why is it perfect? Because the cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 3, 7 rather, 27 rather is 3. And 64, it's 4. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. 125 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 125, and so on and so forth, right? So now answer in here is perfect cube. Okay, a figure eight number, it's none. Okay, it's not there. Okay, remember that 8, next is 25, and this is octagonal figure eight number, right? Okay, they're not the same. Okay, if that is not the same with this answer, it is not. Okay, okay. So, is this clear to you? Okay, how's number 2 and number up to number 4 is answered? Okay, sige. Okay, it's clear as, okay, ano bang tawag yan? Body pure. Body pure. Okay, clear. Sorry. Is it clear? Okay, what's next after Crystal? Crystal? Okay, sige, chat. Chat, chat the clear. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's easy, right, class? Okay, you do not, okay, complicate things. Okay, they are easy. Okay, so we've answered that. And, sige, let's find out the drawings from your classmates. I am actually, what do you call that one? Sige, searching the Google and finding the drawings, no? Looking for the drawings for your assignment, and there's none, no? So we better show your classmates' work and for us to be able to actually say, uh, we did, no? We did the figure of that table. Okay? Sige, wait lang po. At Okay, mag-a-unshare naman ako dito. Okay, it's easy to be actually showing my cell phone, no? Sige, tignan naman natin. Oops. Okay, sige, acknowledge natin yung mga magagaling dyan sa drawing, no? You will be amazed. Okay, sige, check your screen, no? Okay. So, bibilisan ko lang, ha? Okay. Okay, sige, tingnan natin. Okay, since nadaganan na, hindi ko na makita, no? Okay, wait lang. Meron akong i-share, no? Yung mga maalala ko lang, ha? Okay, sige. Let's have Ijima. Oops. Okay, tingnan natin yung drawings niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7 pertains to the column, no? Numbers of columns, rather. Very good. Okay. Very good. Pansin nyo? Okay, pentagonal na tayo. Hexagonal, 2, 4, 6, 7. Ayan. Up to octagonal. Very good, no? That is the drawing, no? And then, we go to, sino pa ba? Yung mga maalala ko. Okay, tignan natin si Medina, kung tama yung guess ko. Okay. Oops. Okay, 12:09 na. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, although hindi, okay. Hindi niya na-complete. Okay, complete it, no? So, the number of points now in your figure eight numbers really is what? Okay? It is your, okay. Pansin niyo ba kung ano nangyayari? Okay, ibig sabihin, yung sides nyo pertains to the column. Okay. And then, your row pertains now to your points. No? Okay. So, as you increase by side, it refers to your column. Okay, it's column. Up to 7th column. And then, when you increase your points, okay, kasi points must be shown there in your drawing, you refer to your rows. No? Rows in those figure eight numbers. That is why the largest or the points that you can create, the blend, what do you call this? The largest points, okay, or the points, how many points? The biggest points that you can create is 133 for the octagonal, no? In your drawing, rather. Okay, very good. Okay, so others, medyo hindi ko na kayo okay. Isa pa, tingnan natin si Joe. Feeling ko na, ay wala si Joe, wala siyang drawing. Okay, tingnan natin si lalaki pa, isang lalaki. Okay, tingnan natin si Emil. Kung nakadrawing si Emil. Okay, very good. Nakadrawing yata siya. Okay, pero konti, no? So, patience is really a virtue, no? There's a lot actually, no? Especially, I'm asking you that um, you create your, what do you call that? Your drawings through writing and art note taking, no? Others created it with digital notes. Okay, so hindi dapat. Okay? Sige, tignan natin ulit. Okay, very good. Now next, sige. It's 12:12. Notice I am actually speed ako ha. Sorry po. Okay, tignan natin. Okay, sige. Nakikinig pa tayo ha. Okay, so it's okay, no? It's okay that you've not answered your assignment, but please class, no? Okay, sige, I'm sorry. If not in the number, we can say that a sequence also or pattern or turns in here is being observed, no? Tingnan natin yung ating, wait lang po. Okay. Yung ating slide. Or not a slide, but in my board. I call this my blackboard. Okay, my Excel. Okay, sige. Okay, if you are to name this one, what is this? Anyone? Chat box? What is that? There's a pattern actually, right? Okay, sige. Anyone can actually name it, no? From this, you are a baby up to, okay, the stage wherein you are old. Aging. Okay? Evolution. Not evolution. A theory of evolution. Your social studies is telling you it's not, no? From monkey to actually human is evolution. Okay, stages of life. Very good. Nana faith, no? These are stages of life. This is a human cycle of life, no? Okay, starts from, I think there's something wrong in here. Okay, you must actually begin with being, okay, a fetus in the womb. Okay? Okay. When, what do you call that? The sperm and the, ano yung isa? Nakalimutan ko na. The sperm and the, it's not the ovary, but the egg cell, no? Okay, the egg cell and the sperm join together. Okay, it is but the first stage of the human cycle, really, no? Because if they join together, there's a life already. Okay? Okay. It is sequentially, no? It's but a sequence. Next. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to answer this. Okay? But read it first. No? A particular booth in a school festival has different fruits in separate boxes. Okay? Okay, I'll give you points, no? When you answer this uh, fast. Okay, get ball pen and pencil now, or pencil rather, or sorry, pen and paper. Okay, there are different ones in separate boxes. The challenge is to guess the number of fruits in the fifth box. Okay, sige. Create a pattern now. And then the person who correctly guesses the number takes home the 5 boxes. But for me, I'll give you 5 points, no? Not 5 boxes. If there are 2 apples on in the first box, 5 oranges in the second box, and mangoes in the third box, and 17 boxes in the fourth box. Okay, in the fifth box, how many fruits will there be? Okay, so we do not know what kind of fruits are there, but we're looking for how many. There is a pattern, no? Okay, sige. Create your pattern now. And I gave you the timer as in now. I give you 1 minute. Okay? Okay. Start. Sorry. So again, the numbers that you need to actually just write here is but 2, 5, 10, 17. 2, 5, 10, 17 refers to first box, second, third, and fourth. What is the number in the fifth box? How many fruits are there in the fifth box? Sige. Tingnan natin, no? Very good. Tingnan natin po. Oops. Let's see the timer. 3 seconds. 1 second. Oops. Others were fast, right? Okay. You do not copy, huh? Okay, you do not copy Nationalis there. So I think that Nationales, Dayag, and De La Cruz were first to answer. Okay, tignan natin. And Verdiflor. Let's see if Verdiflor also is correct. Oops, we're processing. Okay. Okay, it's 26, no? Okay, why? Sige, tignan natin. Unhide. There is a pattern, no? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 refers to the 5 boxes. And then these are the numbers of fruits in those boxes. 2, 5, 10, 17. And then the pattern that you can actually create there is that you actually add, okay, this one, no? Saan na ba ako? So it's 3, bakit 3? And then 5, okay, and then 7, 9. Okay, you need this pattern actually, no? 2 plus 3, it's 5. Okay, you need 3, 5, 7, and then after, what are 3, 5, 7, 9? They are but odd numbers. Okay, it's like in the table, we have these 3, 5, 7, 9 also, right? Okay, these ones are the numbers that will help you answer this, right? How? 2 plus 3 gives you 5. 5 plus 5 gives you 10. 10 plus 7 gives you 17. 17 plus 9 gives you 26. And then 9, 10, 11. Okay? This is but the magic numbers that you need in order for you to answer 26. Very good. Okay, so I give credits to Nationale Simon, okay, to John Victor, and then to Renz. Okay, they are fast, no? For the others, okay, sige, let's give Micaela. Okay, provided you process it, okay? Okay, so 12:19, time check tayo, no? Okay, so far, are you bored or not? Okay, sige. Are you are you bored? Yes or no? Okay, others can follow. I do not know. No, you must be seeing your screen. Okay, those who are not answering there are, I think, are bored. Okay, they cannot catch up because of the internet or what. Okay, please lang po. Okay, we're processing here. Okay, let's have this. There are but 4 types of sequence that we will be dealing in the entire quarter one, no? They will be arithmetic, geometric, harmonic, and Fibonacci sequence. And there are other sequences there not found in your curriculum. When we say curriculum, it's your textbook, no? Search the Google rather, no? There are sequences there that will be actually invented, that will be found. Who knows, it might be you, no? So for this, we limit our sequences to study for this only, no? Arithmetic, geometric, harmonic, and Fibonacci. Naintindihan? Okay, sige. I hope naisulat nyo yun, no? So if I'm going to actually check the Google Mail, arithmetic is just, so nawala ako, no? Okay, sige, 9 minutes. Ayan na, si Sir Romel. Na-click ko yung tab. Nawala ako. Sorry again, no? When you go to arithmetic, there is but common difference, no? Okay, your sequence there may be decreasing or decreasing. Okay, it's there. Meron to. Ito, it's decreasing. Okay. Others would be increasing. 579. Okay, I will not show that to you. It's search to Google. And then the geometric, there must be a common ratio, no? a common multiplier for each term. Like for 1, 2, 3, if I'm going to actually multiply 1 by 3, it becomes 3. Then 2, it becomes 6. And then it's 3 becomes 9. So I have 3, 6, 9 now, right? Tama ba si Sir Romel? Okay. Search them. And then for the harmonic, okay, it's just that we have this, okay, there must be a pattern in the denominator. Okay, harmonics presented to you in fractions. And then in Fibonacci, okay, this is sequence for our nature, no? If you notice, this is a nature. Okay, so these are the numbers that you need to consider, no? Okay, meron dyan, okay, check them. Next, we go now in the length of the sequence. Okay, again, your sequence can be increasing, no? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could be -5, -4, -1, pababa. Decreasing, decreasing, increasing. In terms of this, the length of the sequence that will appear, okay, it's like this. Okay, this now is a sequence, no? Generally, a sequence should be with a bracket and then terms are there. Okay, A1 is the first term, second, third, and up to the ninth term in here. So this one, ellipsis here in the middle, denotes there are terms there, no? There, but not missing, but there are there, no? It's just that writer is so lazy to write it. Okay, and then you have that. Okay, but this one, take note this one, no? The length of the sequence here is but a finite. When you say finite, it ends with 27 with A subscript 9. A is sub 9, no? A sub of 9 or say sub 9. Okay, we call this A sub 9, A sub 1 because it's subscript. Okay? Okay. Check that. So this is a sequence equals is A sub n. Okay, sige, we'll study this further. What do you mean by A sub of n, no? Okay? And then infinite will be, okay, it's like, what do you call this? Related to infinity, no? The number there is, and so forth until, okay, indefinite. Okay, that's why it's infinite sequence. Okay, we have the ellipsis in the end. Okay, the difference of the two is that we end with a specific number, with a specific term that is A sub of 9, and in here it is but continuous. Okay, that is why if Sir Rommel will be asking, if you have this in the term and then find the 25th term, will you be able to actually, okay, solve for the 25th term? Of course, no? Just see the pattern. Okay, so this is easy. Finite and infinite. Finite and infinite. We end with these numbers. That's finite. Infinite is no ending. Did you get that? Okay, next. Okay, it's 26. Let's process this. No? Okay. We have, okay. In mathematics, the simple and the obvious sequence is counting numbers. Okay, counting numbers. Why? We begin always with 1. When we count, we create these numbers, right? Basically, we just add 1 to the current term, and it gives us the new term, right? It's 2. Then add 1, and you have that, right? It's basically a counting number. Okay, A1 to A10. Now, I want these counting numbers to be, what do you call this one? added in your system now. Why? Because let's check this one. Let's find out, no? 1227 na po tayo. Okay, so we do have how many terms there? A sub 1, A sub of 10, no? A sub 10. Basically, there are 10 terms. Values are 1, 2, 3, 10. Okay, now, let's study the counting numbers. There are even numbers, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, sige. Let's check how we deal with this one. Why? Because this one now is your nth term, or we call this the general term. Okay? General term. Again, we call that the general term, or we will call it the nth term. Okay? We will be having our concentration in this one, in the nth term, and the general term, in the arithmetic. No? So, tignan lang po natin how this will amaze us. The general and the nth term. Pahapyaw lang ito, ha? Okay, it's just but lightly. Okay, sige, let's check. How do I create my 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 using the counting numbers? Okay, now, let's have these counting numbers. They are but your, okay, what do you call that? And now, from now on, all counting numbers beginning from 1 up to, okay, you know how to count, right? They are called n now, no? Okay, they are counting numbers. When you see n here, it means here if you are counting. Okay? Okay, let's check. This is my general term. It's like a function, no? It's like a linear equation that's having f parenthesis x equals x plus 1 is a linear equation. Okay, see, let's work on here. Work in here. If I'm going to actually substitute n with 1, that is your n, right? Okay, let's see how this general term generates a sequence. Okay, so 2 replace n by 1 becomes 2, right? 2 times 1. And then replace it with the next counting number, it's 2. 2 times 2, it's 4. And then with 3, 2 times 3, it's 6. And then next, it's 4, and so on and so forth. This now becomes your even number, right? Okay, see how this works. Okay, there is a pattern. Okay, it seems like it's giving us a formula. This is your formula, and generate a sequence out of this formula, out of this general term, the nth term. No, it's like this. How about the odd numbers? No, okay, it's like this. So basically, 1 is less than 2. Give the 2n there, or write the 2n and then deduct minus 1. Of course, 1 is lesser than 2. So I write it 2n and deduct 1, right? Okay, so you get 2n minus 1. Okay, replace n by 1. 2 times 1, it's 2. Minus 1, it's 1. Replace n by 2. Okay, see how the counting numbers work. Okay, now 2 times 2 becomes 4. And then minus 1 becomes 3. What's next? After 2, it's 2 times 3. It's 6. Minus 1, it's 5. And then you're creating the nth term. So basic, no? For the numbers now, okay, in mathematics, really, this sequence, the counting numbers and the even numbers and the odd numbers are but the basic. They are the basic sequence and simple sequences in mathematics. Okay. They are these, the counting numbers, the even numbers, and the odd numbers. There must be a general term, or the nth term, we call these ones. Did you get that? Okay, 12:32 na po. So, sayang yung oras, no? So, we ended with that, but I want you to actually continue, no? Okay, I will not, class, I will no longer discuss this one by one. Okay? Okay. Find out with what Sir Romel is telling you or discuss to you how this works, no? How can you generate these terms now? Okay, it must be that there are numbers there and there are patterns, and you can do the rule, apply formulas if you want, and then sige, analyze those. I will not discuss those to you anymore, no? Okay, and then for this one, skill builder, sige, this is not an assignment, but try to work this because I'll discuss this next meeting. Okay? Do we agree? Okay. Do you agree with that one? It's 12:33 na po. Okay. Medyo mabilis ba?